I'm a huge fan of Howlin' Wolf, you know. I talked to my doctor about this. He said I might have a problem. He said it's normal, you know. It's okay. I told him that he should probably be giving them out as prescriptions himself, you know. Howlin' Wolf songs. You go to your doctor and you feel a bit down or whatever, and you're like, you know, I just can't, just feel like I'm going to do something, you know. I just can't seem to get a grip on it, you know. He says, here, listen to some Howlin' Wolf. Come back next week and we'll figure out the dosage, you know, or something. We gotta try this. I think it's helped me more than any drug I've ever taken. You know, and I've taken them all. It's nothing to be proud of, I know, but I tried them. And yeah, music's definitely helped me more than anything. Apart from Audrey and Fenton Parsons, like they've helped me more people-wise, but musical-wise, it's definitely the medicine. Should be, you know, explored a bit more, a little bit deeper than just listening to a bit of music, you know. I mean, that's why you're all here, right? God, you're a quiet crowd. Yeah, intense is definitely intense, yeah. Camping, for God's sake. All right. I can't write a song for Howlin' Wolf because I didn't know him. I can't write a song about him. We only have little snippets of the past, you know, you only get what you got. And I mean, YouTube's been a great thing. You know, old records have been a great thing, but that only gets you so far, musically. And, you know, personally, you know, none of us are going to really know who Howlin' Wolf was or who Rory Gallagher was or anything like that. You know, and there are books written about them, but you know, how accurate are they? Really? Come on. I mean, do you ever really truly know another person? This is getting a bit deep. Never mind. This is a song called Howlin', and it's not a song about Howlin' Wolf, it's just a song for him, because I feel I owe him that much. Okay? All right? Why can't you come to all my gigs? I had a guy the other night, you know, whenever I was playing the song The Fall, whenever I was saying about, you know, just being a little bit kinder to each other in the world would probably fix it. Just being that little bit kinder to everybody, and you don't know what's going on to the person next to you. Remember I was saying that earlier on? I said that the other night. The next song, I was trying to tell the story about the song, and the guy goes, just play the song. So I got off the stage, and I went up to him and I said, what did I just say? What did I just say a minute ago? About being a little bit kinder to people. You know, you're setting a great example. If you don't change, you're never going to be remembered. That's it. You know? That poor guy, I felt sorry for him. You know, in the moment, I was like, I wanted to punch him, but you can't really punch a 76-year-old man in the face. Expect to get away with it. I showed great resolve, you know? It's a different world we're living in. Crazy. Right.